It's perfect. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a bio to your Facebook profile on your PC. It's a simple process that can help you personalize your profile and let your friends know more about you. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or your name at the top right corner of the screen to go to your profile. On your profile page, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Click on it. Scroll down until you find the Bio section. This is where you can add a short description about yourself. Click on the Add Bio button or the text box. Type in whatever you want your friends and followers to know about you. It could be your favorite quote or a brief introduction or anything else that represents you. Once you're happy with your bio, click Save to update your profile. And that's it. Your new bio is now visible on your profile. And there you have it. Adding a bio to your Facebook profile is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.